Everyone, welcome to Ria's Booktube channel. Today I'm having some book with me, so I'm going to share the snippet of the book one by one. So listen them very carefully. Stories at Work. I'm having this book with me. This is the most delightful introduction to the most important leadership skill written by Indranil Chakrabarti. So I purchased this book in the year of 2018 in the near, and I read this book. This is of storytelling, stories at work. So purchase this book, read this book till the end, and you will get to know more about the author and about the stories at work as well. The second book I'm having, that is Two States by Chetan Bhagat. So the story of my marriage, it is the story of Chetan Bhagat's love story, and loves marriages around the world as very simple. He said, boy loves girl, girl loves boy, they simply get married. In India there are few more steps. Boy loves girl, girl loves boy, boy's family has to love girl's family, girl's family has to love boy's family, boy and girl still love each other, they get married. So there are few more steps in India which used to be followed in tradition, and this is written by Chetan Bhagat. I read the book and even watched the movie till the end as well. So I suggest you to purchase this book and read the book till the end. And the last book I'm having, that is by Chetan Bhagat again, Half Girlfriend. So once upon a time there was a boy called Madhav. He was a Bihari boy, and there was a beautiful girl called Riya. She is very beautiful and she is very good in English. Madhav did not speak English well, wherein Riya speak English very well, like me. Okay, Madhav wanted a relationship, Riya does not want any relationship. So Riya just want friendship at that time. Madhav did not. Riya suggested a compromise. She agreed to be his half girlfriend. So the book's name is Half Girlfriend. So just purchase this book and read the book till the end, because this is written by the well-known author Chetan Bhagat. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the three books, okay, and the snippet of the three books. So we will get back soon with another book review and even the snippet of the book. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.